Tinky Butt. Hi, Tinky. Tell me, what's wrong with her? Huh? What's wrong? What's wrong with her? What they do? What? What they do? What they do? No. They did. They did. Say, leave her alone. Leave the baby alone. Leave the baby. Leave the baby alone. Tell me something good. Tell me something good. What you doing? Tell me. What happened? Who did it? Tell me who did it. Tell me who did it. Huh? Huh? No. 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 Who did it? Hey, precious one. Hi, 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 precious one. You watching the camera? That light's bothering you? What you doing?
She told me that her kids got finished.
I love you. I love you, baby girl. I love you. You spitting. You bitten on stuff.
Like my uncle, he had dark hair. He was about the same height.
No poopy. No more poopy. We can't take no more poopy.
That's the only person I could think that he looked like.
Say bye-bye.
Her uncle